Good morning to all. My name is Mr. R. Muthu Venkatakrishnan, Assistant Professor, Department of Computer Science and Engineering, Bharat Institute of Higher Education Research Institute. Okay, I'm going to discuss satellite communication subject. The fifth unit is discussed about satellite applications. Satellite applications. Okay, first discuss Intelsat. What is Intelsat? The Intelsat standard for International Telecommunication Satellite. The organized was created in 1964 and currently has over 140 members countries and more than 40 investing in this. Okay, so the satellite over in geostationary orbit, meaning that they appear to be stationary in relations to the Earth. At this point, it may be noted that geostationary satellite orbit in the Earth equatorial plane and their position is specified by their magnitude. So next, for international traffic, Intelsat covers three main regions: Atlantic Ocean region AOR, the Indian Ocean region IOR, and the Pacific Ocean region POR. And what is the term installed the America region? Okay, the for ocean region satellite or position geostationary orbit above the particular ocean, where they have provided the transactional telecommunication route. For example, Intelsat satellite 905 is a position at the 333.5 degree east longitude. Okay, the Intelsat is a series of launched over period of October 1993 to June 1996. The construction similar to the Intelsat. For example, Intelsat, the diagrams, Intelsat and the Indian satellite systems. Indian satellite systems. Okay, the Indian satellite systems. So, Indian satellite system is a series of multi-purpose geostationary satellite launched by ISRO to satisfy the telecommunication, broadcasting, and meteorology, and search and reuse the operations. What is meant by INSAT system? It is defined the INSAT systems. The Indian National Satellite, the INSAT, the system was commissioned with the launch of INSAT 1B. In August 1983, INSAT 1A and the first satellite was launched in April 1982, but would not fulfill the mission. Okay, INSAT systems. Install systems is the would not is the install Indian satellite operations. The next, the satellite in service. Satellite in service. The satellite in service, 24 satellite launched, 24 satellite launched in the course of INSAT program. INSAT program. What is INSAT? INSAT, Indian National Satellite System. Indian Satellite System. The program was still in operation. INSAT second E. Second E. Okay, the block diagram of INSAT 4A. The first the panel, if you see the diagram, the south panel and the battery panel, the east panel, the reflector E, and the level of panel and the lamp. See the diagram. First one, the INSAT 4A. The first, the panel, EV panel, fuel tank, and the west panel, and the reflector to W, and the west and the east, the north panel, and the solar panel. This one is a solar panel. It's the overall explored view of Indian satellite, Indian National Satellite Systems. The first Indian satellite system 4A and the Indian satellite system 4B and the glitch in the INSAT 4B and the China's TrueNet connections and the INSAT 4CR and the GSAT and 8 and the INSAT 4G and the GSAT 12 and the GSAT 10. Okay, is the BSAT. One of the explanation is the INSAT and the BSAT. What is the ESAT? ESAT, BSAT is nothing but for every small terminal system. This is the small system, the discretion features of the BSAT system. The VSAT system Earth station antenna being the typically less than 2.4 meters diameters. That diameter is the VSAT. We set the standard for very small terminal system. This is the description features of VSAT system. The Earth station antenna being typically less than 2.0 meter diameters. The 1990. The trend towards the even smaller dishes, not more than 1.5 meter diameter, the 1993. So in this sense, the small DVRO terminals, a direct broadcasting satellite, would be labeled as the VSAT. But the applications are usually observed the private network, mostly providing the two-way communication facilities. Two-way communication facility. The typical user including the bank and the financial institution, airline and hotel booking and the agency and large retail store in the geographical dispatcher in the outlines. Okay, this is called VSAT. The VSAT is one of the networks. VSAT in the network. The VSAT network, the basic structure VSAT network of up station. It's a up connection, switch connection, up connection, and which is to provide the broadcast facility to all the VSAT in the network. And the VSATs themselves, which access the satellite in some form of the multiple access mode. Multiple axis mode. The VSAT, the obstation is operated by the service provided and it may be the shared among the number of user. But of course, each user organization has exclusive access to its own VSAT network. This is called VSAT network operations. Network operation. The division, there are time division multiplexer. The VSAT network, again explanation. The multiplexer is the normal downlink mode. The transmission form of the up to VSAT. The VSAT, that the transmission can be broadcast for the reception by all the VSAT in the network. For example, for address coding can be used to direct message to select VSAT. Select VSAT. Okay. The next, the VSAT network is the form of demand assigned to the multiple axes, DAMA. This is the demand assignment and the multiple axis is employed in the some system in which channel capacity is assigned the responsible to fluctuations of demand of the VSAT networks. VSAT networks. To see the diagram, VSAT block diagram of network insert. One of the insert provided to various extension of the command of India. That is a resolution radio meter. See the diagram, the uplink power control, the video subsystems is a video message, and one is multiplexer, demultiplexer, and everything is a VSAT block diagram. The VSAT block diagram is one of the VSAT diagram is a auto recurrency control, redundancy of the control and the power subsystem and the system console. The all are operations of the where VSAT block diagram. That is a network systems. VSAT network systems. Then what are the applications of VSAT? What are the applications of VSAT? First application, for example, the supermarket shop, till ATM machine, stock sale, updated, and stock ordering. These are applications of the VSAT. Okay, VSAT satellite terminals is a first one is a supermarket shop, tills, ATM machines, stock sales, updates, and stock ordering. The second applications of the VSAT is the chemist stop, and the shoppers drug mart. That's a medical. It's a medical, and the paramedical is paramedics, and the broadband direct to the home. It's a home delivery. All parameters. The paramedicals, the tablets, and downloading the MP3 audio to audio player. This example for applications of the VSAT. Then application, the broadband direct to small business, office, etc., sharing local use with the many pieces connection. The one more applications of the VSAT, the internet access form on board ship receives ship with the internet cafes and the commercial shipping communications. These are applications of VSAT. What are the applications of the VSAT? The first application is the supermarket shop, and the second application is the chemistry shop, and the shop was a truck market, tracking the tablet, and the parabrake, the broadband, direct to the home. For example, download the MP3 audio to the audio players. Okay. The next parameters in direct to the home is the downloading MP3 audio to audio players. So the broadband direct to small business office and sharing local usage of the many PCs. Another applications of the internet access from the onboard ship and increases the ship with internet cafe, the commercial shipping communications. The next, the mobile satellite service. What are the mobile satellite service? What is mobile satellite service, and what are the service and the architecture and GSM? Now, first, service and architecture is explained purpose. If your work involve or likely to involve some form the wireless public communications, you are like to encounter of the GSM standard. The GSM standard is means the global system for mobile communications. They initially developed to support a centralized approach to digital cellular communications era. For example, the global system for mobilization GSM protocols are rapidly being adopted to the next generation of the wireless, the telecommunication systems. The third service and architecture of the GSM mobile satellite communication in the US in the main communication appears to the cellular DDMA system based on the IS-54 standard. Since the CS system consists of the wide range of the component and the standard and the protocol. The next, GSM architecture includes several subsystems. There are 4 subsystems: the mobile station and the base station subsystem and the network and the switching subsystem. The service and the oriented architecture in the GSM. The fourth point is the GSM, the analog system, the capacities. Analog system is the capacity being the trust with the more user that can be effectively supported by the available frequency allocations. The compatibility between the types of system had been limited and non-existing of the DDMA. Time division multiplexer resistance. So the CDMA, the digital encoding technical, more users can share the same frequency than had been available of the analog system as compared to the digital cellular system in the US. For example, the US are the main of the DDMA based. The GSM is again acceptance from the initial being and the Europe to other part of the world, including the Australia, New Zealand, the countries, any country in the Middle East and the East of the cellular frequency. For example, 900 megahertz to GSM mobile global system mobile communication into 1800 megahertz to TCS of the 1800. Okay. Then they're developing the PCs, the personal computers, and the LEO satellite communication system. Okay, where all is the mobile station includes several subsystems, the mobile station, the base station subsystem, and network. The mobile station system, the digital telephone include the vehicles, portable and handheld terminals. A device is called subscriber identifier module, SIM. As SIM means that is a device called the subscriber identifier module. That is basically the smart product provided the customer information about the user, such as the services they are subscribed to and their identification in the network. So next, the base station subsystem is nothing but the BSS is the basic service set. This is a network. Yes, and communication system is the satellite communication means the base station subsystem. The base subsystem, the collections of devices that support the switching network and the radio interface. The network switch subsystem is another one, and before BSS. The BSS is the major component of the BSS is include base transistor station BTS that consist of the radio modems and antenna equipments. Radio and modems and antenna. So in the OSS terms and PTS, the base transistor station provide a physical interface to the MS where the BSC is responsible for the link layer. So in the layer, logically the transcoding equipment in the BTS, however, an additional component. However, in additional component. This is called the base station subsystem. The next one is going to discuss with you the network and the switching subsystem is NSS. The NSS provide the switching between the GSM subsystem and the external network along with the databases used for additional subscriber and the mobility management. Okay, the management, the major component of the NSS, the mobile service switching center, the MSC home and visiting the location, the HLR, VLR, the HLR and the VLR, the database also interconnected through the telecommunication standard and the signal in the system is controlled by S7 is the control of networks. This is called network switching subsystems. Network switching system. Then operating subsystem, OSS, operating subsystem. The operating subsystem provides the support of function. This operating subsystem, the providing the support function responsible for the management of network, maintenance, and the service. The component of OSS responsible for network operations and the maintenance and the mobile equipment management and the subscription management and the charging. This is the block diagram of the GSM block diagram. The GSM block diagram, basic service set node. Okay, is a base station subsystem. Base station subsystem. The operating subsystem is a connection between the interface between two base system and the connection of the one of the NSS network service set system is connected with the public network PSTN, ISTN, BDN connection. This is the GSM of block diagram of connection. GSM block diagram of connections. Okay, there is a various interface of the several channel usually in the air interface. One is the FCHS. FCHS means the frequency correction channel provide the frequency synchronization information in the burst. Second one, SCH, the synchronization channel shortly following the FCH burst 8 bits later. That provides a reference to all slots on the given frequency. The PAGS means the paging and access CLAN channel. Paging is the operating system that is studied in paging and access CLAN channel used for the transmission of the paging and the information with the requesting on the set of all 2MS. RAH. And RAH is nothing but random access channel. PAGS is nothing but the paging and accessing CLAN channel used for the transmission of the paging. The information requesting the set of call to MS. And RAH means random access channel and inbound channel used by the MS to the request. The connections are from the ground network since this used for the first access attempt by user of the networks. So the random access schemes used to aid in the avoiding collisions. Collisions is actions. These are two strategies. Collisions means it is one of the suppose collisions avoidance. Collision occur means is a collision avoidance. Okay, the CBCH is the cellular broadcast channel used for infrequent transmission of the broadcast by the ground network. The cell broadcast channel used for infrequent transmission of broadcast by the ground network. This is called CBCIH. And BCGH, one more, and BCGH, the broadcast control channel to provide the status information to the MS. The information provided on the channel is to by the MS to the determine the whether is not and provided to the retransmission of the new calls. Okay, new calls. So next going to FACCH mean first associated control channel for the control all the control handover to the FACCH. So TCH and F mean the traffic channel, that is traffic control, full rate for speech 13 kilometers per second to data into the 12 or 6 or 30.6 kilometer bytes per the kilobytes per the seconds. This is called TCH, F and TCH. H means is the off rate, F means full rate. TCH traffic channel off rate means TCH H. TCH F means the full rate. The off rate the speech 7 kilometers per second to data to 6 or 3.6 kilometers per second of range of TCH. Okay, TCH H means traffic channel off rate. TCH and F means full rate of speech. Okay, this is called and CCH and H and F. Okay. Then next, what is explained into the define the LEO and the MEO and the CEO. This is the diagram of LEO, SEMIO, and CEO. The orbital type is the period. Orbital type and the period. So LEO is nothing but low Earth orbit satellite having a small area coverage. Small area coverage. So, low Earth orbit satellite have a small area coverage. They are positioning on orbit approximately 33,000 kilometers per the surfaces of the Earth. Surfaces of the Earth. Okay, the approximately surface of Earth, they complete the one orbit every 90 minutes. LEO. This is a low Earth orbitary to periods and the medium Earth orbitary and the geostationary orbitary. They complete one orbit every 90 minutes. The large majority of satellites are in low Earth orbit. The Indrome system utilization LEO satellite 780 kilometers per eye. The satellite LEO orbiter visible to the point of Earth very short time. This is called LEO. Okay, and what is the MEO, medium Earth orbiter? See the diagram. This is the satellite have the orbitary altitude between the 3,000 to 30,000 kilometers. They are commonly used in the navigation system such as the CPS, The next topic, the GEO means geosynchronized is also known as geostationary Earth. Okay, geosynchronized is also known as geostationary Earth is arbitrary. Nothing but satellite or positioning over the equator, the orbit altitude in around 30,000 to 40,000 kilometers. See the diagram. What are the advantages and the disadvantages and the satellite orbit terms in the orbiter? Right? See the diagram is a LEE, MEO, GEO orbiter. It's a low Earth orbiter here, medium Earth orbiter. A geosynchronous orbiter is also known as geostationary. Okay, see the diagram. First advantages is simple ground station tracking. Second one, nearly constant range. Third, very small frequency shift. Simple ground station tracking, nearly constant range, and a very small frequency shift. These are advantages of LEMEO. And what are the disadvantages of transmission delay of the order and 250 milliseconds? Second one, the large free space loss and no polar coverage. This disadvantage, transmission delay of the order at 250 milliseconds, large free space loss and no polar coverage. This is the advantage and the disadvantage. What are the satellite orbit in the terms of the orbital height? According to distance from geosynchronous Earth orbitary, medium Earth orbitary, and low Earth orbitary. Okay, we say low medium Earth means name of LEO means That is a number 24, band 6, and no panel 4, and altitude of the 1300 kilometers to 785 kilometers. And the satellite, what are the navigation satellite of the system? What are the benefits and advantages? This is the benefit is nothing but the enhance the safety, increase the capacity, and reduce the delay. Okay, this is the LEO satellite navigation system. What are the benefits? Enhance the safety is must, then increase the capacity and reduce the delay. What are the advantages? Satellite navigation system is advantages is nothing but increase the flight efficiency and increase the schedule periodicity. Increase the scheduled periodicity. This is the advantages and the benefits of the applications. And one more way, using the ICO and the GNSS implementation strategies and the standard and recommendation of the some practice. Okay, the example, aircraft-based accommodation systems and space-based accommodation systems, and wide area accommodation system, and developed GNS ground-based accommodation system, and continuous and local area accommodation systems, and the GNS as a commercial of the National Air Force system. These are LE, MEO, GEO, ODA standard of communications. Okay. Geo medium is a communications, LEO and MEO. The direct broadcast satellite DBS. Okay, DBS. What are the DBS? Is the one of the DTH and DPH. DTH and DPH of the MEO-CO. Power rating number of transponder. That is medium earth orbitary, low earth orbitary, and synchronous earth orbitary is nothing but is the one of the DPS. The idea of using satellite to direct retransmission into the home has been around for many years, and this surveys provided the known generally as direct broadcast satellite. It is called DBS. It is called GPS. Power rating and number of transponders. Power rating and number of transponder. The transponder is a satellite primarily intent of the GPS have higher than for other categories, being the range 51 to 60 decibels. At the Regional Administration Radio Council RARC in 1983, the value established by the DBMS was the 57 dB means responder or rated by the power output of the higher power amplifiers. Higher power amplifiers. So the satellite may be carried on 32 transponders if all 32 are in use. Each will be operated the low power rating the 120 watts. Low power, LEE, low power, low earth orbitary. Okay. Then the complete orbitary 24 hours is cause of satellite to appear into the geosynchronous earth orbitary or geosynchronous orbitary and geostationary orbitary. There are geostationary orbitary possible in the earth lying of earth equatorial plane, lying in the earth equatorial plane. And the satellite orbiting at the same speed and the rotational speed of Earth, it is axis. It is axis. So they are complete the one orbitary 24 hours. This causes the satellite to appear stationary with respect to point on the Earth. So the allowing one satellite to provide the continuously coverage to given area on the Earth surface. So one geo satellite can cover approximately 1/3 of the world surfaces. Okay, this is the common issue called GEO. Is a medium Earth orbitary is nothing but is a station have the orbitary altitude between the 3,000 to 30,000 kilometers. They are commonly used for navigation system search. And the navigation search system means nothing but the navigation search system. The benefit, that benefit is enhanced safety, increased capacity, and reduced design. Advantages means increase the flight efficiency and increase the schedule predictability. This is called of the direct broadcast satellite is the DBS and DTH. DDS is the, what is the DDS standard? It's a low Earth medicine standard is just the standard for direct to home television. Direct to home television. DDS to define the reception of the satellite program with personal dish in the individual home. In the individual home. Okay, this is called direct home broadcast. Okay, this again advantage is the GLEO. Again, the topic is the NEO and the GEO and the LEO. Low Earth orbit satellite have the small area of coverage. The medium Earth means satellite have the orbitary between 3,000 to 30,000 kilometers. They commonly used to navigation system in the GPS. Then GEO, geosynchronous stationary Earth orbital satellite positioning of the equator and the orbitary at 30,000 to 40,000 kilometers. See the diagram of LEO, MEO, GEO range. First range of the geostationary or geosynchronous of the Earth. The second one medium Earth orbit, and third one is LEO, is lower Earth orbitary. Is the orbital type and height and the period. The LEO low Earth orbitary, the 500 to 1,000 kilometers to 1.6 to 1.8 hours. The MEO medium Earth orbitary is 8,000 to 12,000 kilometers, approximately 6 hours to 10 kilometers, 10,000 kilometers. So last one GEO, geostationary or geosynchronous, approximately 30,000 kilometers, 800 kilometers, approximately 24 hours. 24 hours. These are LEO, MEO. Okay, then LEO, MEO, and the medium geosynchronous Earth orbitary. Geosynchronous Earth orbitary is satellite orbitary in height. According to distance of the Earth, geosynchronous Earth orbitary, medium Earth orbitary, the low Earth orbitary. The orbitary, the one of the orbitary, DBS services orbitary is nothing but power rating and the number of the transponder. Transponder is nothing about satellite may carry the 32 transponder. If all 32 for use, it is the operator of the lower power operating to 120 watts into the LEO Earth orbitary. Okay, this LEME only, but the advantage final lost the advantages: simple ground station tracking, nearly constant range, the very small frequency shift. And disadvantage, the transmission delay of the order 250 milliseconds, the low large free space loss, the no polar coverage. These are advantages, disadvantages of GEO, MEO, and the LEO of the central diagram of GEO, MEO. GEO is a ground Earth. This is a medium Earth orbitary and low Earth orbitary and a geosynchronous orbitary. Geosynchronous orbitary is also known as geostationary orbitary. Okay, is the fifth unit or the thank you.